So yesterday you learned all about weather expressions, and included in that were the words chaud and froid. Chaud means hot, froid means cold. The tricky thing with these words is that in English, we pretty much use them the same way in any circumstance. So whether you're talking about the weather outside, or how you feel, or the temperature of an item, it's the same thing. It's hot, I'm hot, etc. Whatever. We just use the verb to be. In French, that is not the case. In French, we can use one of three different verbs to say to be, to have, or to do. Whereas in English, we would simply say am or are or is hot or cold. We wouldn't say that something has hot. We wouldn't say that something does cold. But in French, you have to change the verb around. So there are three different situations in which we use these, so we need to pay really close attention to them. So our first example is être. We use the verb être with chaud and froid if we are talking about an object and if something is hot or cold to the touch. So for example, le café est froid. The coffee is cold. Or la pizza est chaude. The pizza is hot. Now notice that we added an E to the end here. That's because the thing that we're describing, pizza, is feminine. So we've seen that with other things before. We're going to do the agreement in this case as well. So if we're saying that an object is hot or cold to the touch, we use est because that's is. That's the form of the verb être. Okay? Our second way that we use it is with avoir, and we had seen this one before. We learned that we say avoir chaud, to have hot, or avoir froid, to have cold, if you're talking about your personal temperature. Okay, so if you are hot, if you are cold, you use avoir. So you might say, j'ai toujours froid dans la salle de français. I am always cold in the French room. But really you're saying, I always have cold. So personal temperature, we use avoir as our verb. And then the third one, the one that we just learned now, is our weather expression. When we're using weather, we say il fait chaud or il fait froid to say it is hot or it is cold in terms of the outside temperature. So we would say il fait chaud en été et il fait froid en hiver. It is hot in summer and it is cold in winter. So little difference that we need to know about those words, because in English we just always use them with the same idea, am or are or is. In French we can use the verb to be, to have, or il fait, our form of faire, depending on how we're using those two words.